by Mercer Mayer. Read to you by Miss Esther from the EASD Parent Connections. Let's begin by opening our book. You can turn the page in your very own book when you hear the sound. This is My Town by Mercer Mayer. This is my town. This is where I live. Welcome to Critterville. These are the people in my town. They live here too. This is our post office. The mail comes in here. I come here to mail letters. This is our fire station. The fire truck lives here. Ooh-ee, ooh, go the sirens. When there is a fire, the firemen go to it. They put the fire out. This is our police station. Police officers work here. They keep our town safe. This is our diner. Sometimes we come here for lunch. Yum! This is our town hall. Our mayor works here. Sometimes we have parades in our town. This is our library. I come here to find books to read. During story hour, the librarian reads to us. But when story hour is over, we have to be quiet. Shh. This is our movie theater. I can buy my own ticket. I like to get popcorn. I am always extra careful. This is our store. Sometimes Mom and Dad let me walk here by myself. This is our school. My friends and I are in Miss Kitty's class. School is fun. This is our park. We play football here. This is our bakery. It has the best cupcakes. This is the office of our town newspaper. It is a busy place. Look! Last week, my picture was in the newspaper. This is my town. It is the nicest place in the whole world. Where do you like to go in your town? Who are you proud of? If you want, go back and read this book again. Only this time, keep your eye on that little frog. That's Critter's friend, and he's always up to something. Great job reading today, friends. Don't forget to visit me on my EASD Parent Connections webpage for more links that go along with your book kit this month. See you next time. that brain.